morning. Starting my trip to California. Today we're driving from Las Glorias to Nogales, Arizona. This is so beautiful. I love the monsoon season. It's nice to drive through. Look at how green those mountains are. I love it. How beautiful is this? As I get more north, I'm noticing that I'm getting into territory for the saguaro cactus, not just la pitaya. La pitaya in English is called an Oregon pipe cactus, and that's one of them. But we're beginning to get a few saguaros, and again, the cloudy sky and all is just absolutely beautiful. Crossing the Sonoran Desert in Sonora, Mexico. It's 104 degrees outside right now. Raining on a sunny day.
This has been Roseanne, your guide to the world of facts.
That is so beautiful. It's on my side window. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love it. Wow. Wow. Vineyards very close to Hermosillo. I'm close to Hermosillo right now, and we'll be passing them in a few minutes. And some of the vineyards are actually where I'm going to be buying my grapevines from for my little house. Doesn't count. Some of the vineyards outside of Hermosillo. I'm not sure which one of them I'll be buying from, but one of them I've got all the information on my desk at home. But they are huge. A friend of mine had a vineyard in Santa Rosa for a long time up in Northern California, north of San Francisco. The reason why I discovered these places is because along one section of the fence here they have beautiful bougainvilleas all along the fence, and it's actually the bougainvilleas that caught my attention originally, not the vineyards. So I think we're coming up to the bougainvilleas now. Yep, there we are. It was the bougainvilleas, and I found the vineyards because of them. Okay. Absolutely beautiful. Hello, friends. Okay, so I'm in Panera Bread in Lancaster, California, and I just need to do an ending for this traveling to California video, and my hair is just messed up constantly here because it is so windy. Anyway, I wanted to thank you very much for being here, and thank you for coming back if you're returning, and welcome to my family if you're new. And the next thing that we're going to get on to is visiting with my dear friend Sky. I've known her for, I don't know, 35 years at least. And I visited her for a while, and I took some video of some of the things that she is doing to keep her sanity in the high desert. All right. Thank you so much. You have a blessed day. Toodles.